Good morning, my dear friends and my dear sir. Today we are going to act as a role play. So, this is a act. Someone came to my house. They are my friends, and I am the house owner. So they will come to my house. So we will act together. Manoj, what's up?
Hello, Sumit.
Hello.
I'm good. And you?
I am also great. How are you, Manoj?
I am good. How about you?
I am also great. Please have a seat, guys. Please have a seat.
Yes, so.
Okay.
Have Manoj, ask for some tea and coffee.
Yes, sure. Why not? What would you like to have, Manoj?
What do you want, Manoj?
I will take milk.
You will take milk and
I
Dave,
will.
what do you take?
I will take cold coffee.
So why are you acting as a sad? Why are you
I
sad?
am not sad.
Okay, sure. So it will take some time to make and like take to a cup milk and okay.
Okay.
So do some gossips and chit chat. Okay.
Okay.
Now I made the milk and do cold
Cold
coffee.
coffee.
Okay, take this.
What a cold coffee. Nice.
Thank you, Dave. It was my first cold coffee. I have
Oh.
made.
But this is very nice.
Thank you for compliment.
Okay. Thank you for the milk, Smith.
Thank you.
I don't want to the go, but bro, I have urgent work. Will meet you later.
Okay, I will not stop you. Like you have urgent work. So thank you for the coming and have a good day, Manoj. Have a
Okay.
good day, Dave.
Okay.
That was our act. So hope you are enjoying our act.